Okay, good morning everybody. What is up? Hello, hello. It is time for another adventure, except for none of you are coming with, which is good. Yeah. Anyway. Let me go see if I can find Jonah, and then we will head out. Jonah! He's probably up in his attic. Jonah? It's not in here. Pubert's not around either. Well, maybe there's off adventuring already, so I'll just go over to David's and ask him to go instead, I guess. Holy smokes. Looks like somebody upgraded. And he got an Allosaurus. David? The frick? Hey! Whoa! Why did you hit Furball?
Fire at will.
Okay.
Stop peasant.
Furball.
Oh, it's just you.
Did I hit you in the knee? I used to be an adventurer once. Then I took an arrow to the knee. Okay. Hi. You wanna show me around your new house?
A new house?
Yeah.
A new house.
Your new house.
Oh, this?
Yeah.
No, this is just my old house made new.
Right.
Alright, come on in. So, don't mind all the construction going on. This is all going to be glass in a little bit. Promise.
Let's see.
This is my storage here.
Wow.
Let me get a kitchen table down here. Alright, you can come up. And here's my bed. I don't really know what's out here.
So it looks a lot bigger on the outside, but on the inside you don't use
balcony.
any of the space, really.
No, I use it. I mean...
Your head is, like, going through the roof right now. Seems like a poor design. Alright, well, I have an adventure that I had planned for me and Jonah, but I can't find him anywhere, so I thought you were the second best option. And my only other option. Oh. Thanks. I have a plan outlined in the smithery if you want to come look.
Okay.
Come on. This way. Okay. So here I have a map laid out. You can gather. As you can see, in this circled location is where we need to go. And so we are up here, and that was really rude. We need to get down here. Got it? Please stop drinking while I'm trying to explain instructions. Okay, so I have a method of transportation that we're going to use. Oh, what? You may be wondering why, Peyton, do we need to get down there? And oh, I pooped. And I'm going to tell you the answer. We are going down there because we're going to tame a weird little lizard frog guy in order to be able to breathe underwater and go exploring in this magical underwater cave that's right up there. Got it?
Hey, check this out.
You just throw my poop at me?
Yeah.
Alright, well, I would highly recommend leaving any items of high value here because we probably will die. Alright, let's go. Let's go see our method of transportation. Oh shoot, I missed.
Did you see that, Payton?
Don't worry, all good.
Poop like Chandler.
Don't do that. While we were away, I went and I tamed 1,000,000 dolphins. Oh, I might need to make a saddle for you. Yeah, I think I need to make another saddle really quick.
Oh, sharks! Let's go!
No. Alright, let me see which one. I think they're all the same level. So, I'll give you this guy.
So, how do I ride this bad boy?
Put it on a saddle.
Whoa!
Alright, now they're faster than any other animals underwater, but watch the stamina.
Let's
which
go!
reminds me. Watch the stamina though, because you don't want to get stuck in a bad place. And don't forget to come up for air. Alright, I'm gonna level mine up, and then we can leave.
Why are you so much faster than me?
Because I upgraded his... Oh, you can sprint, you're not sprinting.
I'm trying. Here, wait, hold on. Maybe I'm too heavy. Ah!
Yeah, you probably are. Oh my, that looks so weird. What stuff did you have?
I think this is me sprinting. This is me sprinting.
Well, now you're keeping up. Alright, come on.
Ready?
Let me know if you have to stop for stamina. Alright,
Oh,
so
shoot.
what?
There's like 1,000,000 sharks and I can't get away from them.
I still
Help me,
don't know
Payton.
where you are. I don't know where you are. Oh, I see.
That was the scariest thing that has ever happened.
Wait, did you get out?
Yeah. Literally, there were like 10 sharks on me, and I had to swim in the direction of them.
Great, now
Wait,
they're all
where are
coming
you?
for me because I thought you needed help. Oh, I see a lizard thingy! What we're coming for.
Lizard thingy?
Yeah, the thingy we're coming for, I see
Oh.
one. There's 1,000,000 sharks by it, but I see it.
Is it in the swamp?
Yes, towards the swamp a little bit. Oh no, he's getting attacked by a shark. Wait, no, he isn't. That's a...
Oh yeah, I
that's
see
a,
him.
Never mind. That's a dangerous thing. We don't want that. These guys aren't dangerous. Where'd he go? Where'd he go? I lost him.
No, there's one right over here attacking something.
No, he's not. He doesn't attack things. It's not the same thing. Gosh, I gotta get away from the sharks. I'm gonna lead them away from the swamp. And then come
There's
back.
so freaking many of them.
Come on, sharkies, come catch me. Hurry up, get my stamina back, please. Okay. I'm just gonna lead them away and then I'll come back to the swampy area. They're not dangerous guys though. Oh wait, they stopped following me. There's little guys with like hammer heads. They're not Baronyx is not those.
Okay.
Alright, I'm like circling around.
My dolphin's like about to die.
Great. Oh my gosh.
I got him food now though, so that's good.
There's so many dangerous things in the water. I told you we're probably gonna die, but try our hardest. Is that one?
Did you say
That's
not
a
to bring
frog.
important things with me?
Yeah,
Because I kind of messed up there.
great.
He's gonna kill my dolphin. I'm gonna kill him. Get out of here. You better run.
Oh, is this it? Oh, I found one. I actually found one. Gosh. Okay. Well, we're gonna. How do I do this?
Better
It's
run,
so
kid.
dangerous.
Better run.
Alright, when we do tame this thing, I think we're gonna need to... Oh my gosh, there's 1,000,000 piranhas following me. I think we're going to need to... One second, let me kill all these. Get the RG and bring them back. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Why you just headed straight for my dolphin? Come get me. Come on. Oh gosh, I'm so gonna die.
Killed the shark.
Oh my gosh, I'm so screwed. Oh gosh, I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. Oh! Oh, oh wait, no! Leave the dolphin alone! Don't. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. Oh gosh. Oh no, 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 no. No! Oh shoot. Oh shoot! No! I like finally found one of the things and just got murdered. Okay, I think I need a boat in order for this to work. I'm surely gonna get attacked by crocs. Oh, what
Sorry.
happened? It's okay.
My
That's why.
dolphin died.
That's why I tamed like 100 of them. I died in a fairly safe area, other than these piranhas that were like following me from a while ago. Now where?
Yeah, I
is
got
it?
this shark down pretty far away from other sharks, so that's nice.
Okay, gotta be getting close. Oh, I see it. I see my stuff. I see my stuff. Hopefully it's not too deep. Thank goodness we have a bed on this boat. So when I die again, I can just dive down for it.
Those like stingray things won't attack him, are they?
Probably.
Great.
Spawn all around. Oh, there he is. Oh no. Oh no. Okay, I need to go get a weapon from the boat. 'Cause I'm naked. Do we have anything? Are you kidding me? Okay, wait. Can I make something? Shoot. I think I'm gonna make it. Ugh. Oh, how many are there? What? No! Are you kidding me? Okay. Shoot, wait, where's the bed on the boat? Why can't I respawn at the bed on the boat? I'll have to take a bird out. Are you kidding me?
Is that what you said?
So why can't I oh wait, I did. Wait, what? That was weird. What? That was really confusing. Ugh. Is this a thatch in it? Oh my gosh. If I could just make something to fight back.
Yeah, like a gun.
Anything.
Can we make a pirate ship with cannons?
Someday. There's 2 of them.
That'll be a good day.
Is there anything up here? Oh, arrows. Okay. Just arrows, though. If there's fiber. I can make a bow. Alright, let's try this. Come on. Come on. Oh. Take it all. Alright. Die, die, die. Yes, got one. Die, die, die. Oh, there's 3? Oh my gosh, there's a million again! What?!
Oh, you died.
I killed a million of them before. Why are there a million back?
You think my shark's gonna drown over here? I tamed him underwater. Or knocked him out underwater, I mean.
He's a shark. Where did I spawn? Might be my room. Okay. Alright. I just need to grab a crossbow. And then... Oh, hi, puppy. I can fly back out.
Hey, doggy.
Weapons.
Kind of bored of taming this shark.
Yeah, I don't know why you decided to do that right now.
Yeah, I don't either. I'm probably gonna just kill him and take all of his food.
I don't understand how
Yeah.
there were a million more of those things. I killed a
Yeah, I'm
million
definitely gonna
earlier.
kill him.
What? Oh, then you can help me get my stuff
What?
back. So then you can help me get my stuff back. I can pick you up with the bird and we can fly over to my stuff.
What about little Bill though?
Who?
I'm dead. I'm gonna
Oh.
die. No, I'm good. I'm all good. A shark saw me beating up his shark friend, and he came and attacked me.
Okay, I have a crossbow. I'm gonna take Argentina over. Do you want me to pick you up or no? Are you staying with the shark?
I killed the shark, but I have my boy little Bill with me.
Who's Little
So,
Bill?
It's like my buddy.
Who? What is it?
It's like little mini Rex.
A Dilo?
Yeah, that.
We can leave him behind. He'll be fine.
Let me just tell him to stop following.
Alright, Little Bill.
I wouldn't want him chasing us into the ocean.
You'll be good here on your own. Don't worry. No worries. Nothing bad's gonna happen.
I'll be back, son.
Why?
I was curious what would happen.
Okay, I'm gonna land here before we make our last, just to make sure I don't wanna, like, get killed.
Just drop me. Graceful landing.
Nailed it. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Alright, we got this.
Dang.
Nailed it.
How'd you die?
Oh gosh, I'm about to
Nope.
again. There's like 1,000,000 piranhas down here. Shoot, 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 shoot.
I'll shoot him off you.
Shoot, shoot, shoot. I went to the wrong side of the boat. It's okay, there's a bed on here if I do die. Oh, they always push me back on. Alright, pass it. Just don't want him to go get killed.
Oh, I fell in. Just don't drive.
I won't. I'm gonna get ammo and then I can help shoot. You're gonna die. There's like 1,000,000 of them.
Don't worry about it, I killed them all.
Nope, there's still one left. Alright,
Now I
sweet.
killed them all.
We better be certain about that.
That was intense.
Alright, now...
Alright, how do I get
Don't
back on
move the
this
boat.
thing?
Don't move the boat. What is that noise?
Ooh, you should have seen how many piranhas I just killed.
I know, I did it earlier too. Is there a storm
Yeah,
going on?
actually.
Oh, there's a storm going on. I did too, the first time.
There can be storms on Earth.
There's like a windstorm going on. Alright.
Is it safe? Or should I like get inside?
I think you'll be fine.
What if like a massive tidal wave just came and scooped us up?
Would be horrifying.
That would be so cool.
Okay, so now we gotta go underwater and figure out where the thingy is.
Chabooze it.